guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. But I feel good. I feel great. I'm great to be back. I just wanna say, how are y'all? How are y'all doing? Did y'all miss me? Did y'all miss my videos? Cause I miss doing YouTube. I've been bored in our house during this quarantine. So today, we're gonna do a look. I'm gonna be testing out this new like glitter I got off of Amazon. I want to show you. Every time I get something new, I'm excited to show y'all. So I got these little glitter packs off of Amazon. They were really pretty. I think it's like 17 shades. Wait, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, oh, 18. So it's 18 shades. They have every single shade you could possibly think of. You see there's the gold. It looks like basic silver, but it is. So those are those. Those are really pretty, so I want to test these out today. So that's what we're gonna do. To the face, as you can see, I have leftover glitter on my face from because I was playing with it earlier, and I ain't gonna lie, it's low-key kind of hard to get off, but it's okay, we'll be fine. So now I'm gonna show you all the palettes I'm gonna use today, and then we're gonna get into the look. I don't have a lot of pinks. I kind of want to do something pink today. Because I did a blue look the other day, so I'll post a picture of it right here. This is what it looked like. I know I was bomb, you don't need to tell me. So if you want to see a tutorial on that look and how I did it and stuff, just leave it in the comment section below, or whoever is on my Instagram, just DM me and ask me, because I'm pretty sure half the people who watch my videos are from Instagram. Now we're going to start with the smooth transition shade. We're going to dip into this brown right here at the top. That's basically my skin color. You know, that's my favorite transition shade, y'all. We're just going to pop that right in the crease and blend it up into like right at the bottom of my brow. It's not going to show a lot because it's a transition shade, but it just puts a little bit of color there on top of that concealer that I placed, just to kind of set it in place so it doesn't go anywhere. So all the colors are blend seamlessly into it. Alright, now I'm gonna do one eye first, because I always like, I don't know, but I'm gonna do one eye first and then show you how I did that, and then boom, you're just gonna go from there. Now we're just gonna take this flat brush, and we're gonna go in with this medium brown right here. And we're gonna pop that right, like actually into my crease. So right up under, like here, kind of where I would cut my crease at. And then we're gonna take my Morphe brush and we're gonna blend it all out. I don't know what's going on with my eyelid today, but it's like taking extra long to like blend my stuff in, and I really don't appreciate it. My eyelids are like going crazy because I did my makeup like 8 times. Listen, don't drag me, please. We're gonna go in with my Juvia's the Zulu palette, and we're gonna take this hot pink. This hot pink right at the bottom, and we're gonna go back in with that Morphe brush, and I'll just wipe off all the excess in my hand. Go back in with that Morphe brush, that flat brush, take this pink and place it right underneath that brown. Make sure we really get it nice and pigmented, and then we're gonna blend it in with my Morphe brush. If anybody, I need somebody to make an intro for me, please, because I'm tired of doing it. Every time I make an intro, I just end up like deleting it out of my camera roll for some reason, and it just disappears forever. So somebody please make me an intro. I will pay you $5. No, but seriously, I need an intro, dude. Like, it's crazy. I might just make one myself, but I don't know when y'all gonna see this video, because it's gonna take me a minute to edit. So I'm okay. now we're done with that pink, so we're gonna go into my other Juvia's palette. I don't have a lot of pinks. I looked in all my Morphe palettes and they don't really have a lot of pinks in there either, but this one has this really, really pretty pink right here. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. And it's shimmery. Oh, man. So we're going to go with that, and then we're going to place this right on top. Right, when I say right on top, we're going to put it right on top. So we're going to go with my BH Cosmetics flat brush. It's dirty, don't drag me. And we're going to place this right on top of that pink. We're not doing a cut crease today, y'all. No cut crease. Because I don't feel like it. I don't feel like cutting my crease right now. I'm going to place that right in the middle. You see that? Oh, pretty. And then we're going to take we're going to take my smudging brush. If I can freaking find it. Jeez, Kayla. What are you doing with all your brushes? I just had it. So we're going to take my smudging brush and just smudge it out the edges. Keep the middle very pigmented. See how we did that? See how we did that? See how we did that? Pay attention, y'all. I'm gonna place it a little bit more on top of that lid. Try to get some of that shimmer in there. I don't want to bring it up too high to contrast the other pink though. So now we're gonna take my BH Cosmetics, my Morphe brush, and we're just gonna blend it out at the top. Just blending the regular pink and not the shimmery pink, just so we can get a nice contrast. So now what we're gonna do, listen, prepare yourself because this is where it gets serious. It is shimmer time. Now, I don't know what shimmer I want to use. There's a pretty rose gold one in here, but then there's like a really, really pink one. Here, I'm going to test them. I'm going to test them both out. See which one I want to use. Now, so there's like a pink and silver one in here. I don't really know if I want to use that one. And then there's this like super pretty like pink and purpley shimmer. I might use this one, honestly. And then there's this rose gold one. Nah, we're not gonna do rose gold. We're gonna do the super pink one. We're just gonna do super pink one. Okay, now with this stuff, it falls everywhere. It literally gets everywhere, so you gotta be careful where you place it, okay, sister? It's gonna be hard to clean up. I already got it everywhere because I was just so pressed to get it on my face. I was not paying attention, so now it's like everywhere on my vanity. And I tried to clean it up and it didn't work out, so we're just gonna go with the flow. It comes taped, so you can really just twist the cap and the tape will like peel off or whatever. So you can use, I got this glitter primer from Ulta. It's dirty, don't drag me. I got this glitter primer from Ulta, and sometimes I place it on the back of my hand like that. It comes out like peachy, like off-whitey. And I take a flat brush. What brush did I use? I take a flat brush or like a concealer brush or something like this. And I really just trying to get all the extra other glitter off of there. I just dig into it with this brush, place it on my lid. Well, place the glitter glue on my lid and then dip right into the shimmer and just place it on my eye. So it's really not that hard to put on, honestly, but you just gotta like pay attention. I don't like to get the glitter glue like all on it because then it like dims the color of it. It really dims the color. See, they're so pretty. Now with these, it's not a lot of like tiny glitters. It's like a lot of the chunks. It's a lot of glitter chunks in this. But so to make the color pop more, I really like to go in with a glitter that I already have. It's like an iridescent type. This shimmer. Let me see. I like to go in with a little bit of that. and dip that in the palm of my hand because this stuff comes out like crazy. And then take it from the palm of my hand, get it on that brush, smack it right on top of the glitter dots or whatever the heck these things are. And it makes it pop just a wee bit more. Just a wee bit, because you know we like a little sparkle. So now I'm going to do my other eye, and then I'll come back and we'll finish the rest of my face. Now that the eyes are done, we're gonna go ahead and beat this face. Actually, before we beat my face, I want to add a little bit of black liner right at the bottom in my lower lash line. Before we do this face, we already know I need to prime. This primer, people with oily skin, I highly recommend it because it is a lifesaver, because I be getting oily like nobody's mother. Like, it is not funny. I'm only gonna dabble a bit on my forehead because I have some concealer on my forehead from my brows. So, highly recommend this primer. Y'all already know the tea on that. So, now I'm gonna take couple pumps of my foundation. I'll put all the links in the bio of everything that I have and stuff. I already know the tea, so I'm just gonna split this on. Now on to concealing. So, you guys know I swear by the LA Girl Pro Conceal. And I will continue to conceal with that regardless. Like, I don't care. Like, if you want to fight me, then fight me. If you want to fight me, then fight me. Because this is my go-to. I have a hard time switching. Like, it took me forever, literally forever, to find my Smashbox foundation. Because I just would not switch from, I had originally L'Oreal True Match. And I was like, okay, I'm swearing by this because I'm scared to change. But I found that L'Oreal True Match and I was like, oop. Oop. I mean, I found the Smashbox. I was like, oop. Gotta grab her. Gotta grab her. Even though she's a bit pricey. She's a bit pricey. But I don't care. Foundation, if that's my foundation, I don't care how much money I'm gonna spend on it. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild banana powder. I'm open to find new setting powders, honestly, but this one has not done me wrong so far. Seriously, guys. I like to stay with the stuff I'm used to. I don't like to change. Like, y'all be thinking I'm lying. I'm so serious. Sweetie, I don't change. So we're just gonna bake, we're gonna set it first, and if I feel like I need to bake it, I'll bake it. That's what I've been like living by recently. Like, I don't need to bake it straight off the bat, you know. Just set it first, make sure it ain't going nowhere, and if you feel like you want to bake it, then bake it. So, but we're probably gonna end up baking it anyways. So now what we're gonna do is gonna take my concealer. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna apply a little bit of a mascara, not a lot, just a little bit, because we'll be putting lashes on. So now that this is done, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add some highlighter. now that we have that out of the way, we're gonna line my lips. Alright, now we're gonna apply my lashes. And I'll apply my lashes, I'll do it off camera, but then I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Okay. I'm back, guys. I put my lashes on. I went ahead and put Cindy on because I was like, you know what, I ain't doing nothing else. Let me put a wig on. So I put my wig on and changed my shirt because I looked a little. I actually like it a lot. I don't do a lot of pink looks, surprisingly. I don't do a lot of looks with color, like, anyways. So this is kind of like, it's not my first time, but I love the way it came out, actually. I'm loving those glitters that I got from Amazon. If anybody else wants to get them, I'll put the link in the bio. Don't yell at me, please. I don't need it, okay? But yeah, I'll put the link in the bio for anybody who wants to purchase those glitters for any reason. You can use them for more things than makeup. Like, you could do them with your nails, or you could, like, put them on your face. Like, I don't know, whatever you want to do, you can use them. So, it comes in 18 colors that vary from a lot of things. But yeah, if you like this look, leave a like, share, all that good stuff. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Get it together, subscribe. Like, come on now, it's okay. I go away for 3 months, like, and I come back with fire, so it shouldn't even, don't even trip. Anyways, like, share, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video.